So this is a dollar yen. I'm trying to short this area, and might even just take a position now. So a minute. Now the shop has opened above 45 pips, so just above this area, and given the run into this apex, this nice, very well-defined apex, I think we can draw a little bit into the range, into this range, but I don't like the extension that much, because I would have preferred this, this straight move into this leg into this area. So let's see. We'll target the first take profit around this area. The stop is open fairly, very huge, but let's see. I think I just want to give it a little bit of room here, so let's see. Okay, so we did enter here, and the price has drawn back into the range very nicely, and so hitting this little guy, and let's see how it responds here. But I also had this trade in here, so I also had this euro trade in here, just showing a little bit of life after today's and yesterday's session. So I did buy it here and wanted to scale something out in this area, but I couldn't, because it didn't take my limit, and so when it filled in this area, so I thought if it does come back into this little open space and above this high, it might even draw back into this range. So I exited 80% of my position in here, and the stop is at break even. And just to discuss this trade, so this is coming from this little base in here, this whole of area, and the price is fairly very sticky right now, so not a lot of expansion into the price, and it's fairly extending, and then it's drawing back into the range. So all of this price action, you can see very sticky price action. This is your yesterday's session, and this is today's session, so not much movement in here. So not a quality level, this area, not a quality level, but I think just due to the market environment, I think it might just play out. So just a little bit of clip in this position, and this is yen, so bouncing very nicely from this shelf area, or clean breaking point, if you want to call it. But if it does get through here, I think it's going higher, and I don't think I want that position, but I might even move my stop just above this high, or just above this area. So this is the position, and for today is Friday, and I don't want to hold the short in dollar yen, because of you can see this short spread, I mean swap. So you can see if you hold the short position, you'll be charged minus $18 almost, and so much favorable to be long. And let's see how this goes further. So it's coming right now to my first profit target, and even on this 1 minute chart also, it made a nice apex here, and sort of came down, and now retesting it, and this might come into our profit level. So very nice trade. I think I generally like to trade apex of a move, and let's see. I mean, it's drawing back up into the range. There's a difference of feed between the broker and this charting platform, and just this is euro. So this my stop is not hit yet, so you can see this little guy filling in this area, in here, and my stop was just at the entry actually, and didn't hit filled in this little gap, and went up. So now it's a decision point that it has to make, so whether to expand into to the downside or the upside. But at this point I'm fairly very neutral, but given that I'm in short in dollar yen, I think I think it could draw to the downside, and the stop after this level break, the stop comes down to just above this high. I don't want this position, or I just don't want to be stuck in this position if it goes above this high. So let's see. So we are about to be out of this position for 60% now, and fairly same behavior across the major assets and the major forex assets, and fairly very nice to see, but not much volatility in the market right now. So that's why I picked dollar yen, and just waiting for a tick to 180, and at 36.90, giving me a run, and yep, I'm out. This was it. Yeah. So I did take my 60% of my position out here. The stop as you can see is here, so that means I moved my stop from this high to just above this high. The reason being that there's not much liquidity to be filled. Might be something in here, but so I was thinking that if it does take out, then there's a high chance that it would make a retest above those highs, and might even go further. So I just didn't want to be stuck in that position or take a loss. So now the stop, I think I'll just move my stop in here for the rest of the position, and let's see how we go on from here. So still in I'm also still in euro for now. This is euro on the 1 minute chart. This is 5, so very difficult for me to judge as to where to take the next exit. Let's see, so something might be around 244 area, little block in here, and let's see. So both of the positions are now taken care of, and the stop is just below this low. So this is euro. As far as pound is concerned, nothing in pound, very sticky, very tight price action, nothing for me to work off in pound. So not much in here. This is a demo shot, but might even take a live shot if it does come up in this area. Yeah, most likely I think in London close time, so I'll see that if comes up, but I think this video is done.